posting any videos, but I am right now. So, because it's only like morning, so my parents are still sleeping. Yeah, so I'm gonna make my slime. So what I did is, hold on one second, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock, so I can just talk normally. My hair is really crazy, I know, because I just woke up. Well, I didn't just wake up, I woke up like an hour ago, but I was still sleeping. So, yeah. Here, let me turn on the light. Okay. So, what I did to make my slime is I took my glue stick, and this is going to be like normal slime, because my friend Maisha told me that the glue stick would be really stiff, but I was watching YouTube videos to make slime, and it turns out this one really works. And so all I did was I put water, and then I just put the glue in it. I also put some, like a tiny bit of soap, so then it would like stick. And sorry for the last video I made, but my iPad died, so I couldn't finish. It died when I was about to sniff the slime. It didn't actually, like, I don't know what it is looking right now, but sorry, but what was I gonna say? Yeah, it's still at my grandma's, I'm pretty sure, unless she threw it out because she hates slime. And so, yeah, I put it in the freezer there because I had to leave. And so, yeah, I made another, and now I'm going to make another slime video. So what I did was, like I said, I put soap, water, and some glue. Here. Oh, put it the other way. And then I have to warm it up in the microwave for 30 seconds. So that's my water, glue, and soap. It doesn't look soapy, but because I just put like a tiny drop of soap in here, and then I mixed it a bit. So I like put the spoon in, and then yeah, I mixed it and then took it out. So yeah, I just have to heat it up for 30 seconds, and then it's done. Yeah. So I'm going to be posting another video later to show you what it ends up doing, because I'm not going to do it now or else I'm going to wake my parents up. So bye guys. Miss you, love you, bye.